Hello guys, hello. So we are on the road. We're going to the beach today. How are you today? Welcome back to my channel, Sophie Love Lifestyle. Today is a beautiful day and we are going out in the sun to enjoy some activities. So guys, we're going to the beach. So let's go. So mom, say hello to the people.
Hello, how are you? Going out this morning to have a wonderful time.
Yes. And mom is going to the beach to have a swim.
Oh my God. I'm going to swim.
So guys, stay tuned to see how good of a swimmer my mom is. How good of a swimmer my mom is, guys. So let's go. Let's hit the road. Guys, it's gonna be a banger. Yes, a beautiful day today. The sun is shining. That's the sun, guys. Very nice. So I said to myself, you know what? Let's go out and have some time. Have a cool down, you know? Okay. We are leave out now, so I pick up
How now we go so late?
Because we have bits and bobs to run around and do.
We don't come back tonight. Yeah, let's go now.
No, we're coming, man. We're coming.
You know their way, they're landing.
Hold on, we're coming, man.
You're in the heat, we're going to the beach. Mommy says she's ready for swim.
Mommy ready to swim?
Yes.
Mommy have to go in the water, start water for the pain.
Soak out the pain, mommy, you lick out the pain. Mommy said I'm going to go swim and stay there.
Yep, you can't shot and tight swear.
No worry, mommy well set.
She could have put on one tight.
Me say mommy well set. No worry about mommy. She well set. Well set.
Why?
Mommy well set.
You know, go wait up in the water. You can't pull with you now.
So where you say a while ago? Pool? Don't hear me dying, child. You hear me dying, child. A pool me you say a while ago. We don't do pool over here, you know. We do the beach side. That's what we do. That's how we. That is how we move.
She's a 50 baht suit, good.
Yeah. Oh God. So guys, we're going up to this castle to have a look before we head on to the beach. Guys, I forget the name of the castle, to be honest. Let me see if I can find it and show you guys. So we're gonna stop here and then we head on. Whew. It's hot and I have some drinks in my hands. I put them last night in the fridge, the freezer. Yep. It's more like a hill. We're going up like a hill, little slope. So here we got show us where the toilet is. If you notice, we got the Welsh language as well and the English language here. That's how they do it in Wales. Everything they're doing, put English language, they put the Welsh as well, because they speak Welsh. Yes guys, so just gonna have a nose and then we head on. We're not gonna stay too long here. See where it's going. So this is the castle, guys. It looks so pretty.
Ah, Jesus, I'm going to find my juice. I'm dying for one.
Well, one.
Have you tried them, Pepsi?
Take one, mommy. Take them off of my hand.
Oh, what's what you mean? We drink all of them.
I'm hot.
That's right.
I don't think he's very buggy friendly. I think we might have to just carry on going to the beach.
What happened?
There's just loads of steps and things.
But mommy can't. Oh, with the baby as well.
There's loads of them.
Mommy can sit and relax here on this side. She don't have to come with it up around. She can come on the flat bit, but if we're gonna step up, she can just sit here, you know.
Let's try the water there.
I know you say water yet. You know, reach the water yet.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Me here.
She not have to really come up. I'm not expecting her to climb those stairs.
Climb up downstairs.
I mean, I expect her to climb the stairs then.
You want the Pepsi? I said Sophia.
But that's the way I have to. I have my national card. They want to see the card. Yeah, I've got 2 cards. So what mommy can do is to sit here, just relax. But we won't stay long anyway. I never know. What do you think? But we don't stay long. And maybe if she want to use the toilet before we go, we can show her the toilet, or make she use the toilet.
But my guy did work.
Oh. You marrying him?
Yes, yes, yeah. Ay, Jet. Jet. Sabi ko pibis. Jet.
I'm a thief for him. I'm about the TV. Me, Carla, and Fanny film. All right. We're not stay long.
Okay.
You all right?
All right, believe it. Can't take them man, me afraid of them. And them bite, you know. I'm afraid for them.
Just run them and I'll bite you. I threw the ice cream. It's the sweetness.
Mommy, I'm going to give you ice cream.
What's the phone? Oh, it's pretty. Wow. Anisha. Where is she? Ooh. I think I'm going to walk down the bottom here. Okay, this is the outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. What is so pretty? You look over there?
Yeah, that's the gardens.
Beautiful. I forgot about what they look.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. We should probably come back here another day.
No, we can still look.
Ah, cello. Cello.
It makes sense we're here and we're coming back another day. For what?
Because Grandma can't really come around.
She can sit and she'll be fine. Don't worry about Grandma. Even if we come another day.
How are we doing?
We're doing fine. How are you?
Yeah, all right. Thank you. Have you finished with the card? Did you finish with that?
Yes, please.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no worries. So if you just got your cards or tickets, that'd be fantastic. Oh, lovely, all sorted. Thank you.
Look at that walk.
That's smashing. Have they been scanned in somewhere today?
No, I
If I
have
scan those for you now, that would be lovely. Thank you.
It's quite hot.
Oops, if my scanner will wake up. Lovely, and just the other one there. That's super. Lovely.
Okay.
So I don't know if you're aware, it's no photography or images.
No image.
Because, yeah,
No
nothing at
videoing.
all. No, nothing at all. Right. It's because we're lucky enough.
I suppose I wasn't allowed My phone is
So guys, we're in the garden now. We went to the castle, but we weren't allowed to do any filming. Yeah, but inside is there is so good. But guess what, guys? But I couldn't do any videoing, guys. Couldn't do any videoing because I weren't allowed. I didn't want to be cheeky, you know. Yeah, so unfortunately I couldn't show you in there, but there's a lot of interesting stuff in there. There's like loads of birds where they've killed over the years and stuffed them. So, excuse me, they're on display and they look so real, guys. So real. You know, it's unbelievable. But you can't touch them or anything like that. But it's very interesting, very much interesting. So now we're in the garden. I'm gonna show you around a bit, and then we're gonna head to the beach. That's the castle up there, guys, from this angle. So let me take a thumbnail. Put the castle at the back. Very pretty down here, guys. Very pretty. Look there. Beautiful flowers. And guys, I'm telling you, when I said hot, I mean hot. It is extremely hot today. Guys, I have to use sun cream on my hand. Yes. I have to put on the sun cream, guys, because I feel my skin literally burning me, and I'm not exaggerating. It's a fact.
Mommy, turn around.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey, Papa. Very pretty though. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Beautiful, Papa. Papa, it's beautiful. It's a big, massive garden, guys. Yeah, I'm watching him. Amma, these flowers are so beautiful. Yes. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. At least we're getting a little bit of cool breeze down this side. Huh? Come, Papa. This is too hot. Honestly. Too hot. The heat is on, guys. Mamma. No, Hammer. Don't do this. Don't mess your clothes up. Okay. We're not going down the bottom because we have to get going now, Papa. We have to get going now in the car. Okay? Yeah. You want to go there? Here. No, we're not going there. No. Let's go back here. We're not going there, Papa. Amar. No, we're not going down there, Papa. Let's go back. It's too much heat. Yeah, go down there, sir. You want to go down? Oh, let's go.
No, we can go now. I'm going to come back here another time. It's more time.
Yeah. I think we can go now because it's hot.
Yeah. Because we could come here on a day that's not so hot and enjoy it more. Because it's so hot. Down there looks nice.
It looks nice. Let's go.
It's so pretty. Can you take a picture of me here?
It's very pretty. Very nice. Hey, Papa. No, I take a picture. Eh?
Look at my...
Amma. 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 Yeah, from down here.
So it comes long before the
I couldn't do that. I'm further down.
you're right, for me, I'm that concept.
How far?
The war of this country. Michelle Thompson, then SNP MP for Edinburgh West. Hearing, doors slam, glasses smash.
She under scarf, so.
Crying, really knowing his mum was okay.
just reached.
Middle of the shouting, the rest is dying.
No, we call her back. Make me call you back, Dan. Give me 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Hoover smashed up as an example in that kind of state. So people, but we don't, of course, want to release domestic cheap eggs. So I challenged the government on this and said, what are you going to do about it? I didn't feel that solutions were.
Guys, we're at the beach. It's like this. So we're gonna dip ourselves in the water, guys. I don't know how cold it is, but certainly I'm gonna have a dip. My mom said she's not coming, guys, so I have to leave her in the car. She was adamant she's not coming in. I told her just to maybe dip her foot in the water, but she said no, sir, me not going in the water. So I have to leave her, guys. I don't think it's I don't know, and I didn't want to leave her at the house, you know, even though she normally stayed there and by herself. But I wanted her to get a little drive out and stuff. But me leaving her in the car now, I'm not really happy about it, because it's just the sun is very hot and the car is not really hot now still, but don't know when it can get hot. Anyway, she's got a phone, could call.
Yeah, it's not. But it's damp, like the tide came all the way up.
The sun is really pretty. Guys, me out dip in the water because me can't wait. Me can't wait because me hot like a fire. The sun is hot. And I'm gonna dip, guys. I am gonna dip. And the water look like it's cold enough. Help my father, girl. Hey, Papa. Yeah, that's the view. But the water feels cold enough. Yeah, see the water cold. The water cold. The water cold. Where am I there? The water cold. No, I'm gonna put me on the pin. I thought water is too cold. Hey guys, it's too cold. Whoa. You're not coming in, sir. Water cold. What? You're crazy? No. The river water. Not the sea water, Anita, the river water. I know Jamaican water. You don't tell me about Jamaican water. Jamaican sea water is warm, but the river water is cold. This feel like the river water in Jamaica. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Guys, I'm gonna dip it, you know. I don't know if I'm gonna dip it, honestly. I don't know. That's the water. Oh, guys. So it should be here, but I never really want to put it down, but let's put it down like that. Let me make Anissa. Right here says warm, but as you go out there, you get cold.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, thank you. Mike, she said she likes your dress.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. No, it's a skirt and it's a 2-piece. Well, it's a 3-piece, but Mommy said the other piece was too big.
The pants is this, but
Okay.
The guys were in Wales and the beach is looking really nice. I should say, I love it. The sun is nice. It's dark, but it's nice. Also, the water is very clean. It's not as clean as drinking water, you know, but it is okay. But guys, what? The water is very cold. I don't know how to look at it, but I have to dip. I can't come so far down the beach. So, yes, guys, let me go have a dip. And we have a lovely Amar. You're going in the water. Come, Amar. Come, Amar. Amar, are you the guitar?
Huh?
Are you the guitar for him?
No.
I'm the guitar.
No, somebody already started digging it and then he carried on.
Guys, I'm gonna dip. Up there. Jesus Christ, what? I want to dip in guys, but guess what? The water. Wow. I'm gonna have a dip. I can't leave all the way from Walsall and come to Wales and a dip. No. And you know what I'm gonna do next time as well? I'm gonna get next time I'm gonna get one of them props because I don't like to feel the sun too much on my foot, honestly. I'm scared of this. Guys, the water really nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's really pretty. But let me show you. You see? It's not bad at all. The sun is dark, that's why you don't see it blue as our water. But the sun is dark. But you know, in Jamaica, our sun is, we have white sand. Most of our beaches are white sand. But the water is, it's clean and it's pretty. But I'm gonna have a dip, guys. I'm really gonna have a dip. I'm gonna have a dip. Oh! There we go. Can't come the far dip. I dip, finally I dip. Anissa! I dip. I did dip. I dip, guys, I dip. I can't come the far dip. No, sir. No, sir. What a pretty man. The water is pretty. I dip eventually, guys. And you know, when you do the first dip, you know, it's not all that bad. You know, all that bad at all. But I'm not going to wet my ear. I'm going to wet it up. So Amar is up there making a sand castle. I like it, guys. I would live right here, right over there on the in one of them houses, right next door to the sea. I live there, right now, right now, right now, guys. I would live. It's pretty much, the view is really nice, guys. I don't know if over there it looks like a sand castle, a castle or something. I don't know, a tower, or I don't know what it looks like, but if you can see right over there at the far end, you see, guys, right over there at the far end. And my little grandson is coming. Amar! 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 But get after the first dip, you know, it's a bad really. So that means we can go a bit further. Let's go a bit further, guys. You know? Water nice, man. Water is very clean. Okay, here we are. Here we are. It touched me right at my waist here, guys. Come on. Alright. Anissa! Yeah. But when you dip, you take the chill off. There's a boat right over there. I know they must be very cold, deep. Anissa, come and get a dip, man. Come and dip, man. You don't have to go that far. You don't have to come this far. Such a little dog. Roll, roll you about gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. The dog is having a fun time. The dog is having a fun time. This guy, the water is nice. It's really nice, really nice. Really nice. Yay! Hey! Yeah, it's nice. It's cold, but it's nice. Hey, Hammer! Hello, Hammer! Hello, Hammer! Hello, Hammer! Hello, Hammer! What a sweet. Anisha, these houses should be very expensive. Yeah, because they're close to the beach.
Yeah.
You stand up? I'm gonna stand up?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Careful, I'm making what I'm doing. Oh, Papa. Okay, come swim, Papa. Swim. Swim. Come on, teach him to swim, Anissa.
Yeah.
Swim, Papa. Swim. Swim, Papa. Swim, Papa. Hey, Papa. Yeah, Papa. Nice. The water sweet. Huh? Splash it, splash it, splash it. Splash it. Come on,
That's good. No, come on. I might just like to suck his finger.
Is that taking finger?
No, every time he's got has salt water.
Oh.
Yeah. When he's at the beach, he always does it. Don't put his hair in it, mommy.
You have to wash it and then rinse it out.
Oh.
Just rinse it out with some water. Come on now, wash it. Rinse it out.
Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! But the water's clear. It's only because the sand is dark color.
Right. So what, it look like if the sand is white, it's pretty good. But the sand is not, that's why. Yeah, this water is so nice. So nice. And mom is somewhere right there. Where's my car? Huh? Somewhere right there, mom is. She don't want to come, guys. And it made me feel so guilty, but you know. I want her to come at least and put her foot in the water. But she, why? Said she not come back. She not come.
I'm in another country, so I don't know. What's the time over there?
Papa, you tired now?
Your mother looks tired now.
What a beat you out, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, the water looks blue.
And blue.
Down that side.
Yeah. Because maybe the sun down there, so white.
Right down that side looks blue. Really cold.
Miss everyone. Okay, you want to go?
Okay,
You ready? You ready?
Is that a jellyfish?
It looks so. No, it's a jellyfish. Come out to the light. Come out to the light. Guys, is this a jellyfish or what? It's the first time seeing a jellyfish that's near, close. But you know, the jellyfish, they can bite you, isn't it? I don't know if those are the one. One of them, you can, if you step on them, I think it's sea egg. If you step on it. It looks like jellyfish, but I'm not certain. But crab.
Yeah.
Sea crab.
I think it's dead. You touched it.
I don't do nothing. Sea crab.
Hi guys. I found a crab at the beach, but it looks like it's died. We could have raised it. Hugh likes crab, guys, but I don't eat these crabs because they're too small.
But it's extremely small. That's a baby crab, isn't it?
I'll leave it to grow. But unfortunately, it passed away.
Sea crab. You have the land crab in Trinidad, is it?
Huh?
You have land crab too. Live on the land, you never know.
Yeah, in the little like
Anissa, you see the water coming back up? You see? Anissa, you see the water coming back up? Yeah. That's why I said it was getting deeper, you see?
yeah.
So you're going to come right back up there. Because when
You were right then, so I was gonna put the stuff down there.
yeah, the water coming right back up.
Oh, what are these flies?
And it's going to come right back up to there as well. That is the reason why you have the sand. It's still sandy.
Yeah.
And there's rock, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could go right back up to the top there.
Oh yeah, it's definitely coming because over there
Yeah.
wasn't like that.
That's why I was saying, oh, it's getting so deep.
I didn't even notice.
So you have to be careful when you have kids around.
Mama.
Oh, Jesus, Amar. Come, Papa. Come, Papa. Amar. Come, Amar. The seawater really cooled me down a bit, though. Come, Amar. So guys, we're going back up now to change. We're gonna have a little wash off. It was a beautiful day. I enjoyed so much. Guys, if you're watching the video so far, come on guys, give it a like, give it a share. Come on guys, subscribe.
Oh, mommy, I'm gonna have to walk this because Amar's bar.
Your Amar's bar?
Yeah,
It's by the car.
Yeah, I need to get it.
Yeah. So yes guys, if you like the video so far, give me some love, man. Show me some love, some love, some love, some love. Hey, look at it.
Because I think this sides are higher, it's more here.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
I would like to try one of those.
Oh, I don't want to hurt my dress. I'm just saying if I want to hurt my dress. I wear the right slippers. You know, when I was wearing the slippers, I wasn't even thinking about beach. Honestly, I just grab it on. Yeah, but now I realize it's plastic. Is it?
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's why I was wondering why you didn't put them on.
No, me never have a clue about You know?
That's why I bought my car.
I just put it on because I said, okay, it matched what I was wearing or whatever.
Oh.
But not thinking about the beach, honestly.
I wouldn't sit on the boat.
The rocks,
Yeah.
it's tough. I think they spread something on it. But it was a lovely day. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yes, but I think next time we can do a sleepover.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, next time come
Yeah, we do. We do a and do
a
it,
bit late. We left that much.
and then leave the next day, guys. Because we're gonna drive back now. It's 2.5 hour drive, which is not too bad still. But you know, we'd come and just rent a little bread and breakfast, and stay over, and then go home the next day. I think that's what we're gonna do in Cornwall. When we go Cornwall.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is this? This is like a what?
Or maybe it's the river.
Oh.
Where the river.
Okay. It's very pretty down here. I like it. Wales. Are you guys from Wales? Are you from here?
South Wales.
Oh, okay.
Quite nice, isn't it?
Is this
Yeah.
South Wales?
North.
North Wales.
North Wales.
Oh.
So this.
Much prettier up here than South.
Oh.
Is it?
So North Wales is where you have much more beaches, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there's more beaches up here than down south.
Oh. I didn't even know that.
Yeah. When we was driving here, it just looked so picturesque.
Yeah,
Like,
the mountains are nice.
yeah.
Pretty.
really
Very
nice.
Where you
beautiful.
guys up from?
Warsaw.
From Warsaw, about
England.
Birmingham.
Warsaw. Right?
England, yeah.
Yeah. Oh well, enjoy the rest of the evening.
Yes, okay, bye bye. Stepping on the thingy. Huh? No, I'm stepping on my skirt. Oh, so North Wales where you have the beautiful beaches.
Yeah. Yeah, would you come back tomorrow? Oh, you like the beach? Do you love the beach?
It's really pretty down there, Anissa.
Yeah, I would live here to be
Yes,
honest.
honest, me ready to live right now.
The scenery is just so nice.
Me ready to live right now. She said,
Grandma,
Grandma, go to sleep. Mom, you ready for go dip now?
No, we don't move on.
What you say? You're not gonna dip, Mom?
No, sir.
Why?
Not deep tonight.
No, Mom. No, Mom. You come to the beach and we talk about going into the water and getting your foot healed.
Not that deep.
So you don't want your foot, the leg them healed then, the kneecap.
It's so weird, man.
But the Bible said
Yes.
the water, the blood of God, Jesus, rescue me in the sea.
Hey, rescue you.
So you have to go in the sea for rescue, Mommy.
Really, we rescue me and I'm in bed.
What you say, Mommy? All in your bed. You have to go in the sea water. Eh? So if you don't rescue in the sea water, I rescue in the bed.
Yes.
I don't blame you. Mama said the blood of Jesus are rescuing me. In the bed in the sea water. Lord Jesus, Mommy, not easy. How we ask it to my mommy? Then your name feel jealous of me? How we ask it? Come and tell me, I say, mommy, good, I hope they are jealous and want to come in the water. I say, Anissa, make sure I say, me can go for mommy. Anissa said, no, come in, I think she go come. Guys, I'm going to close my video here. Yeah, we're getting ready to go home, guys. So guys, guess what? I'm going to love you and leave you, you know. I'm going to love you and leave you until I see you next time in the next video, guys. Alright? So don't forget to subscribe, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes, guys, and I'm coming up with some nice video for you guys to watch, okay? So, have a great day wherever you are. Have a good day. Have a beautiful day wherever you are. And one love. God bless. See you later in my next video. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.